Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Dodge City, local and long distance movers near me. Whether you want to execute a long distance move from an entire household, a few furniture pieces, or an entire office, 3 Movers is committed to delivering high end, hustle free, long distance moving services at the best rates for you. Our moving company has been in the service of moving homes and commercial property over long distances for many years. We have the skills, experience, and workforce to guarantee safe delivery for your belongings to your new location. If you're feeling overwhelmed with the planning process, let our expert movers take the load off. We can also plan your move from beginning to end, ensuring we cover all aspects of the move. This way, you're left with enough time in your hands to plan other important details of your move, like changing your address or phone number, or setting up cable and internet in your new location. Our local moving services will ensure your days are disrupted as minimally as possible, whether you need to move a few blocks away or 50 to 100 miles away within Dodge City. 3 Movers offers reliable and safe local moving services in Dodge City and its surrounding towns. We can take over the planning process to ensure the move does not weigh you down. Leave the strenuous work to the experts. Once the planning move is in place, our dedicated movers and logistics experts will disassemble your furniture, wrap everything safely, and pack them in readiness for the move. We will also move your home or office safely to your new location, unpack, and arrange to ensure that you have an easy time settling in. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Dodge City moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.